Here's the photographs of the subjects in this case.
I'd like to have 200,000 award circulars printed on these men tonight so we can distribute them by tomorrow morning.
Yes, sir.